Okay, is it screen is visible?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, no issue. Today we will learn about permissions. Sorry, ownership. So in that ownership, first of all, the ownership concept only applicable for the file and directory and the links. Okay, so it is only applicable for files, directory, and links. So links we will discuss later, but before that we will discuss files and directory. So for the ownership, we need to use a command called as a chown. So by using that, we can change the ownership of file, we can change the ownership of directory. So what is ownership? We have a man command to identify what is the ownership. So see, change the file owner and group. We have two options. If you have a file, then in that file the ownership belongs to the particular owner as well as group. In last lecture we discussed about the groups and particular files. Okay, so here users, sorry. So here just check one example. Here first of all I will create one direct one folder. So in that folder we will do the practice. Sudo, because I am in a root user, sudo mkdir test. Spell mistake. Cannot file already exist. Okay, here I will use test one, sudo test one. Yeah. Now I have a command called as ls. Check out, is there any file or directories available? Here I will create one file. If you want to create a file, then we have options called as a cat command, tag command, and touch command. By using three ways, we can create file. Which are the commands? First one is the cat command. We can able to create a files. Second one is the tag command. By using that, we also able to create a files. And third one is a touch command. So cat command and tag command, which is also used to view the content of a file. But if you want to create a specific file, empty file, then touch command is used. So likewise, here I will use a touch command, and here I will create one file called as a file1. I don't have a permission because I am in root directory. Sudo ls. Now file is created. Here I will use ll. Now see, I have created one file, or I will do one thing. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Terminal. Okay. C slash home slash my directory. Now here I will create one directory mkdir test, and here I will use sudo. Okay, cd test1. Now done. Now a file is created called as a file1. We'll check the detail information. If you want to check the detail information, then I will use ll. Either I can use ll or I can use ls-l. Both commands are same, ll or ls-l. Okay, इसका मीनिंग यही होता है ll long list. Okay, so it will generate a detail information. So I have a file called as a file1. Okay, in that section, here is the owner of file. Who is the owner of file? Root is the owner of file, and this one is a group owner. In last lecture we already discussed, by using add group command we can able to add the groups, and to view the groups we need to use tell slash hyphen n1 slash etc slash group command. Okay, see, so here we have one group called as a web dev, because I checked only last line. So web app development, I have a group. So like that, if you want to change the ownership of current file, if you want to check the ownership of current file, in that ownership we have two options. First one is the owner, and second one is the group owner. Okay, so in that first part will be as a permissions. In next lecture we will start the permission. Before that we will understand what is the permission, what are the types of permission, what are the permissions for files, what are the permission for the directories. We will discuss later in the next ongoing lectures. So now we will discuss about only file owner and directory owner, both are the same. So first part will be treated as a owner, and second part will be treated as group owner. First one is only owner and second one is the group owner. If you want to change these owners, if you want to change these owner, then and then ch own, that means change owner, ch own command will be used. Okay, we already seen by using a man command what is the meaning of ch own. It indicates if you want to change the file owner and group, then this command will be useful. Okay, so in somewhat condition, when I place the ll or when I place the ls-el, in that case I have one file, file1, and the owner of that file1 is root and group owner is also root. If you want to change the owner, if you want to change the owner, then we need to use ch. First of all, we know that how many members are how many users you have. So to check that, tell hyphen n5 last 5 check करेंगे हम, n5 slash etc user related information will be stored in passwd file. In last lecture we already discussed. So I have a owner user as a Arvind is there, test is there, Vishal is there, test1 is there, SCS is there, and similarly we'll check groups also. So these are the 5 groups. Last ABC group is there, Vishal is there, test1 is there, SCS is there, and web app development is there. So first of all we will change owner as SCSC. We have a file called as a file1 and the current owner of that file is root. Now I want to change as a SCSC. That SCSC student will able to modify that content. Okay, so for that here I will change the owner. Okay, so if how we will change the ownership, we will do it by using command. Here I will use ch own, change owner, owner name as SECSE, and the file name is called as a file1. Okay, ch own, नेम ऑफ दैट फाइल जो ओनर बनाना है उसका फाइल का नाम देना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट एक्चुअल और रिलेटिव पार्ट. दिस वन इज अ रिलेटिव पार्ट, इट इज नॉट एक्चुअल. इफ यू वांट टू प्रोवाइड एक्चुअल पार्ट देन वी नीड टू यूज स्लैश होम, उसके बाद में नेम ऑफ वर्किंग dir, after that desktop, after that folder name test1, and after that the name of file is a file1. So that one is a actual path. Okay, here is a example of actual path. If you want to provide, right now I am in the test1 folder, so you can provide actual path as well as a relative path. Now operation is not permitted for the super user. Here I will use sudo. Now done. Now I will here check ls-l. Now check out who is the owner of that file. Previously the owner was root, now the owner is SECSC. Is it okay? And same thing, if you want to change the group also, then sudo chgrp change group, and after that name of group, I have ABC group also, ABC as a group name, and name provide name as a file name. जो भी आपकी फाइल है, whether it is ABC, PQ or what it may be, जो आपके पास फाइल है. I have a file 1. Okay, I have a file 1. Now I'm trying to enter. Now done. ls-l. Now check out, the owner is changed, also the group owner will be changed. Previously the owner was root as well as group owner was root. Right now the owner is SCSC and group owner is a ABC. The third important point, if you want to change both simultaneously, then also we can able to perform. If you want to change owner only, then here I will use ch own command. If you want to group, then here I will use ch change group permission. If you want to change both, then I will use ch own command itself. Okay, but what are the parameters to use first command? If you want to change only owner, then ch own command, after that owner name, owner name, and third one file. Either you can use file, either we can use directory, whatever it may be. Okay, even we can change the ownership of links, but right now it is not important. Right now we have two options, only important options. First one is a file and second one is a directory. Same scenario, if you want to change the group, then here I will use ch group, change group. Here we need to pass group owner, group owner, and after that we need to pass file as well as directory, whatever it may be. Third option, if you want to change both owner as well as group owner, then I will use ch own command. After that, here I will pass owner underscore name, colon is a mandatory. After that, group underscore owner underscore name, and after that file or directory, whatever it may be, file or directory. Is it okay? So we will change as a username as a what we say, हमारे पास कौन सा available है, something ACC. I will use my name, ch, first of all sudo ch own, my owner name is Arvind, and group also same, and here I'm using a for file. Now ls-l, now check out the file. I have file, file 1, and the owner is now changed to SCCSC to the Arvind, and group is also changed ABC to the Arvind. So by using single command, if you want to change both owner name as well as group owner name, then we can use ch own. If you want to change only owner name, then I will use ch own. If you want to change the group name, then I will use group name. Similarly, I will repeat this operation for a directory. So here I will create a directory mkdir, and here I will use a directory name as test. Ls, I have a directory. This one is a file and this one is a test as a directory. So ls-l, now check out the owner is root and group owner is also root. Now I will use SCCSC. So first of all, ch own sudo privileges, sudo ch own. After that, the name of file is SCCSC. After that, directory name is a test. Now check out ls-l. Now owner is change. Okay. Second, now I will change by using groups, sudo ch change group. After that, name of file same SCCSC, and directory name same thing ls-l. Now check out the group owner is also changed. Now I want to change both, so I will use sudo ch own change ownership. I will use my name as a group name, also I will use group name and owner name, and after that directory name is a test. Now ls-l, now check out same thing, owner name is changed, also group owner is also changed. Does anyone have any query? If you want to ask.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
चेंज नाही करता येणार ना,
येतं ना.
कारण की सर आम्हाला रूट
हो. तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये तुम्हाला क्युरी येते का त्याची?
म्हणजे सर करत पाहिलं, पण ते आता रूटचा पासवर्ड नाही माहिती, तर काही करता नाही येणार.
ग्रेट कळालं, मला कळालं. सो मी तुम्हाला दाखवतो प्रॅक्टिकल. एनिथिंग एल्स? Does anyone have query?
No, sir.
किसी को नहीं है?
No, sir.
या गेट. सो डू वन थिंग, क्या करना है आपको? sudo -i यूज करना है. जैसे भी आप sudo -i करते हो तो आप रूट डायरेक्टरी में आते हो. ओके, आई विल रिपीट दिस स्टेप. sudo -i. अभी right now I'm doing a practical in Arvind user. Okay, so when we enter that, हम कहाँ जाते हैं? रूट में जाते हैं. In that, we'll change the password of root by using passwd command. Passwd and the name of user as a root. Enter the password. So here I will use 12345. Again 12345. Enter. Password change successfully. After that, exit into that terminal. समझ में आया कैसे करना है? sudo -i रूट डायरेक्टरी में जाओगे, उसके बाद में पासवर्ड और नेम ऑफ यूजर एज अ रूट, passwd, sorry, password नहीं, passwd root, and after that password change, password update successfully, exit, बाहर आ जाओगे. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. अब प्रैक्टिकल करने में कुछ क्यूरी नहीं आएगा. Okay, so हर टाइम वो सुपर यूजर के परमिशंस मांगता है ना, so that's why. And even if you want to create a sudo user, ये भी बताऊंगा मैं, but right now नहीं. Okay, so by using this command sudo -i, you can able to change the password and you can able to perform the practical also. Does anyone have a query regarding the ownership? Right now I am not doing any permission related task. Okay, for example, I want to write a data, I want to edit a file, like that stuff. We'll do it in next lecture. In the morning session we will start the permission chapter, and it is a very much important chapter in the Linux system if you want to access the files in a Linux. If you don't know the permission, then आपको ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करने के लिए बहुत दिक्कत आएगी. सी, इसके लिए आपको ओनर नेम पता होना चाहिए, ग्रुप ओनर पता होना चाहिए. सो ओनर एंड ग्रुप ओनर को हमने यहाँ पर लिया है. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ओनर नेम एंड सेकंड वन इज अ ग्रुप ओनर. सो इसके बाद में परमिशंस के बाद में आपको एक चैप्टर आएगा, उसका द नेम ऑफ दैट चैप्टर इज G+S. ओके, एस स्टैंड्स फॉर स्टिकी बिड, इसको स्टिकी बिड कहा जाता है, और इसका प्रैक्टिकल भी होगा तो इजीली आपको समझ में आएगा. ये भी हमने इंक्लूड नहीं किया था फर्स्ट डे के अंदर. ओके, विल ऐड दिस चैप्टर आल्सो, G+S, इसको भी हम ऐड कर लेंगे बिकॉज ये लिनक्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. ओके, एंड इन टुमारोज लेक्चर वी विल चेक दिस सेक्शन, दिस वन. ओके, सो ये पूरे के पूरे परमिशन है. बिफोर दैट वी नीड टू डू द थ्योरेटिकल लेक्चर. इसके लिए आपको इट रिक्वायर्ड सम टाइम. सो इन द मॉर्निंग वी विल स्टार्ट द permission chapter. First half we will clear the basic concept, and after that we will do the practical. So right now, does anyone have any query regarding permission chown, ch group, and chown for both owner and group? किसी को क्यूरी है इसमें?
नो सर.
समझ
No,
में
sir.
आया? सो यहाँ भी इसके भी नोट्स शायद से मैंने बनाए हैं, मे बी, बिकॉज मैं बनाते बनाते भूल गया, बाद में मैंने कुछ बनाया नहीं. या दिस वन, आई हैव ओनरशिप इशू. ये इसका भी डॉक्यूमेंट है. विल सेंड दिस डॉक्यूमेंट इमीडिएटली, और रिकॉर्डिंग मैं शाम तक भेजूंगा बिकॉज इट टुक टाइम्स टू जनरेट द डेटा. ये अभी मैं फिलहाल भेज देता हूँ. Right now, see, when we start the lecture, we have only 12 students, and right now we have 25 students. अब लेट कौन ज्वाइन हुआ वो कोई भी नहीं पता. फॉर दैट वी नीड टू चेक द लॉग्स. उसके लिए मुझे लॉग्स चेक करना पड़ेगा सिस्टम्स के, इसके क्लाउड्स के. ऐसा मत करो. इट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड आई थिंक, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इट इज़ अ वेरी यूजफुल सेशन फॉर यू.